My beautiful people, this is Rosemary, your herbalist. Today I'm bringing you this. This is hibiscus. I drink it every morning and night. It's very important. If I thought you've not ever listened to anything I'm saying on my page, today please pay attention, because it's going to save life. It's going to save somebody. It's going to, because it's mostly in this era where people are coming down with different kinds of illness. They have diabetes, they have hypertension, high blood pressure. If you have any of those things, and if you know you want to prevent any of those things, please kindly listen. If there's anything you want to listen on my page, if it's the only thing you will gain on my page is this one, and I will show you, I will do a video to show you how to do it, so that you don't go do it other ways you'll be doing it, so that it will be more economical for you. If you know, now a lot of people are coming down with so many illness we don't have. You might be wondering, why is it now that people are having more illness than before? Those days people don't really get, you see our parents, they don't get sick like that. Our mother don't get sick like that. But now you see a young person. When I was growing up, I never saw any young person with liver problem, chronic, all those kidney, liver, hypertension. You hardly hear it. You hardly see it. But now you see a lot of people. Before you say, this person. Last year alone, just like last year alone, I know 4 people, more than 4 people in my own family, close family, that died of liver failure. Liver failure. My elder sister lost her husband. Her husband was just 49 years. That is why I'm so passionate in bringing all these herbs, because it's what you don't know. It might just be close to you like this. You don't know. You like, why didn't I use this? Why didn't I do this? You know, it's something that is preventable. Liver, kidney, all those things are things, hypertension, they are so preventable. It's something that you can easily prevent. It's just that we don't know, and we don't eat the food we used to eat. Now, what we have is preservative. Preservative, everything you are eating is pastry. Everything you are eating, you are buying it from outside. You are eating food from outside. These are the things that are harming people's life. You understand? These are things that are harming people, and we have to make sure we do away with these things. And doing away with these things, you know, most of us, we like sugary thing. If you like sugary thing, what you need to do is for you to, what is the alternative instead of taking sugar? There's alternative of taking sugar. But today we are not going to go deep into that. We are going to talk about, we call it in Nigeria, we call it Zobo drink. Zobo drink, I'm going to list the benefits of Zobo drink, and I'm going to tell you what, you know, because we have this in a platter of gold. They say whatever you have, you don't appreciate it. We don't appreciate it because we have it in our house. We have it. We saw Zobo drink. We don't appreciate it because we have it. But I'm going to tell you the benefits of Zobo, so that don't buy it outside. Because the one they do outside, they put sugar. You understand? You do it yourself. And you're not going to do it the regular way and put it in the fridge. You're not going to do it the regular way, because that one, the one I'm going to show you how to do, is more economical. So before I start telling you I start showing you how you can prepare it, I'm going to give you the benefit. One, it reduces stress. When you are taking Zobo drink, it reduces your stress. You know, when you have stress, stress will make your immune system to go down. When you are stressed, other sickness will enter your body. That is why when you stress yourself, you start having fever, you start having headache. Headache can lead to hypertension. So many things. Stress leads to so many things in your body. So it reduces stress from your body. Then if you have diabetes, people that have diabetes, is good for them. For people who want to reduce their sugar level, people that have blood pressure problem. If you do your blood pressure, now some people, I know some of you don't have machine to check your high blood pressure, and this high blood pressure, if you don't check your high blood pressure at a time, it will lead to another sickness, which is another topic of its own. So if you are taking this, it will help your blood sugar. Your blood sugar will not go up, your blood pressure will not go up. If you have diabetes, it's good for you to take it. If you want to reduce your if next time you go to a doctor will say, your blood sugar, or you are taking high blood pressure medication, this will help you to reduce your high blood pressure. Okay? Then weight management, for those of you who want to watch your weight, you want to remain kinky forever, it will reduce your weight, to help you to reduce your weight. There are other herbs, other things you can put into it that will help you to reduce weight. Then digestion. For some people now, when they eat, you will eat small food, you say, my food is not digested, I'm having indigestion, constipation. It will reduce constipation. This Zobo drink, this is Zobo. that we neglect back home is zobo, I'm telling you. But don't buy the zobo outside. Make it yourself, okay? Immune system. If you want to boost your immune system, hibiscus, you use it to boost your immune system. When your immune system is okay, you will not, small fever, small malaria, small typhoid will enter your body because your immune system is low. It will boost your immune system. Immune system, when you have your immune system, any sickness that passes, you will catch it. Even when you don't wash your hand, somebody sneeze and pass, you will catch it because your immune system is very weak. I'm going to make this video very, very short. If you have cholesterol, you want to reduce your cholesterol. You know, most of the food we eat are full of garbage. If you want to reduce your cholesterol, you drink your zobo drink. And again, if you want your skin to be dazzling, you want your skin to be shining, you know, when your inside is good, your inside your body is good, definitely your skin will be shining. Anything you eat, you'll be able to absorb it. Anything you eat, your skin is a reflection of your inside. If your inside is not so good, it will reflect on your skin. Okay? So this hibiscus, you are going to make it in powder form. Powder form. When you make it in powder form, you take it in the morning, you take it anytime. You don't need whatsoever. You don't need too many things. In the morning, you just take a scoop of it and put it in the water and drink it. I'm going to make a video. This particular thing I want to show you is my own way of preparing it. So I'm going to show you guys how I make it. You know, in the morning, if you see me sipping my cup, anytime you see me sipping my cup, that is what I'm actually sipping. I'm sipping it. So you make it in a powder form. When you make it in a powder form, you don't need to boil it. You don't need to cook it and say, oh, will it get spoiled? Will it get damaged? Will something happen to it? Nothing will happen to it because it's in a powder form. The one I have is upstairs. It's in my bag upstairs. I even take it to work. When I'm going to work, I make a portion of it. I'm putting in my jar and drink it. As I'm going to work, I'm sipping it. I sip it throughout. And the way you will make it, I'll make it in such a way that I will tell you the herbs that you add to it, that you blend with it, that you'll be drinking in the morning, any time of the day. Give it to your husband, give it to your children. It's good for everybody. Okay? Whether you have ulcer or you have this, or you can take it, anybody can take it. Okay? And if you are making it is in powder form, you blend it. You blend it. If you want it to be, even when you taste it, you will find out that you don't need to put sugar. I don't put sugar. I like it has sour taste. I like the sour taste. But if you want it to be tasty, you can add honey to it. But for me, I don't add honey. Remember, what you are doing is to reduce cholesterol, is to reduce sugar, is to reduce all those yama in your body. See, one, your liver will be intact. Your kidney will be intact. Your immune system will be intact. What is more than that?